Assalamu alaikum. Nestled in the heart of Asia, the Kashmir Valley in Pakistan is a land of timeless beauty. Today, we embark on a journey to explore three of its most enchanting destinations: Sharda, Kale, and Arankale. Our first stop is Sharda, a serene village located on the banks of the Neelam River. Known for its historical significance, Sharda is the home to centuries-old ruins, including the famous Sharda University. Sharda Peeth is a ruined Hindu temple, an ancient center of learning located in the Neelam Valley of Pakistan administered as Kashmir. Between the 6th and the 12th centuries, it was among the most prominent temple university. As we venture deeper into the valley, we arrive at Kale, a small yet captivating village, surrounded by the lush green hills and crystal clear streams. Kale is a nature lover paradise. The village serves as a gateway to several trekking routes, each offering breathtaking views and a chance to witness the untouched beauty of Kashmir. Our final destination, Arankale, is a majestic hilltop village accessible only by a challenging trek. The journey to Arankale is as mesmerizing as the destination itself, with paths winding through a dense forests and over-rugged mountains. Once atop, the panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and peaks are unparalleled. Arankale is a perfect blend of adventure and tranquility, offering a peaceful escape from the world below. The culinary delights of Kashmir reflects its rich cultural tapestry, from the savory rogne josh to the sweet fragrance of saffron-infused kahwa. The local cuisine is a feast for the senses. The ever-changing season brings a new face to the Kashmir Valley. Each season paints the landscape with a unique palette, from the pristine whites of winter to the vibrant hues of spring. This cycle of seasons not only shapes the valley's natural beauty, but also influences the daily life and tradition of its people. The rivers and lakes of Kashmir are not just water bodies, they are lifelines of the region. The Neelam River with its meandering path and the iconic Dal Lake with its floating markets are the central to the Kashmir's geography and culture. These water sources support a rich biodiversity and are integral to the livelihoods of many communities. They are places of commerce, transport, and recreation, vital to the ecological and economic fabric of Kashmir. Waterfalls and streams are the main attractions of the Neelam Valley. A Kutan Shahi waterfall located in the Kutan village increases the beauty of nature. From the spiritual echoes in the valleys to the rhythmic flow of its rivers, Kashmir is a land where nature and culture intertwine in the harmony. Our journey through this enchanting land reveals a tapestry of life that resonates with beauty, diversity, and resilience. As our journey through Sharda, Kale, and Arankale comes to an end, we leave with a deeper appreciation for the natural beauty and rich heritage of the Kashmir Valley. These timeless lands, with their enchanting landscapes and resilient spirit, continue to captivate hearts of all who visit.